Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been gone for forever. I think it's been almost 2 years since I put out a video, I believe. It's been a while, no matter what, it's been a long time. Today I'm coming with an unboxing. I've had this bag for about a month now, I believe. Could be a month, 3 weeks, something like that. And I just wanted to show you guys. Okay. What I have today is Louis Vuitton. It's like my favorite store, my favorite luxury brand. Yeah. It's a big box. Can you guys guess what it is? I probably won't have to guess because I'm gonna put it in the thumbnail, so never mind. Anyway, let's take this off. It's a big box. Get it off. Alright. Came in this bag as usual. And what I got, oh, is this beautiful Damier Azur Graceful MM, and with the rose ballerina interior, which I so wanted. And yeah, isn't it so cute? And it came with this luggage tag, and I had my hot stamp. I don't know if you can see that hot stamp with my initials and a little pink heart, which I thought was so cute. Pink is my favorite color. And this bag does come with, I don't know if you can see it well, but it does come with a zippered pouch. Oh, I'm so horrible. There you go. It's a pretty decent size zippered pouch. I don't know if you guys can see that there. This bag was made in the USA, which it's okay. I didn't go into the store looking for this bag. I originally wanted the Neverfull GM, same print, the same canvas print, with the rose ballerina interior, but they didn't have any. But the SA Jennifer, shout out to her, she's really nice. She suggested the Graceful, and I was like, I remember hearing about the bag, but I didn't really pay any mind to it because I don't know why I didn't. But I was like, okay, I'll test it out, see, you know, how I like it. I was already there, so what's the harm? And when I tried it on, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so comfortable. So I left this is the funny part. I left the store, went to a store across the street. Then I was like thinking, I was like, oh my gosh, that bag was so comfortable. Like, I think I like that bag. So I went back to the store and I got the bag. And yeah, I really love it. I haven't used it so far. I have taken out the box before, obviously, but I'm waiting on, I purchased the Samorga organizer. I'm waiting for that to come in order to use the bag because, I mean, even though it looks like this, but it does fit a lot. Like I put things in it. I might insert some pictures into this video to show you how much stuff I could fit in there. And it was like, I was like, whoa. You wouldn't think that this bag here could be able to hold all that, but it does. But yeah, I'm so happy about this bag, and I haven't got to use it, but I can't wait to use it. It's a great bag, I think, for the spring, and I live here in Charleston, so it's pretty warm weather throughout most of the year. And I think I'll get a lot of good use out of this bag. I'm so happy. My birthday's coming up, and I am planning on getting another bag. It's not horrible. But I think I still kind of want the Neverfull, so I think instead of getting this print that I originally wanted, I might get the Damier Azur, or I'm kind of tossed between that and the monogram. I don't know, guys. You guys let me know what your thoughts about that. Like, should I get the Damier Azur or should I get the monogram? If I do get the monogram, I'm thinking about getting it with the Vuitton. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Interior. I'm really thinking about that. Yeah. Let me know your comments. Yeah, I guess I'll give you like, show you guys how I make look on me. I'm a larger size girl. Big curvy girl, so you know, it might look different. I realize a lot of YouTubers who do luxury videos are kind of smaller. So when I visualize what I think a bag looks like, and I go in the store, I'm like, oh no, this is way too tiny for me. But this is a good size for me. I can show you. I don't know if you can see. I have this sweater on. I don't know if that helps any at all. How it looks on me. I can't really see it with the camera here, but it fits really good. I might insert some pictures or something so you guys can get a better look at the bag. I know this is a horrible situation sitting here, but yeah, I really love it. Also, another thing, I'm gonna end this video, make it sweet and short, but I really love how the canvas feels on these Graceful. It's very, I also have the Palm Springs PM backpack, and it reminds me of that. It's very soft and kind of like, doesn't feel thin or something like that, but it's very malleable and flexible, and it just moves. I don't know how to describe that unless you felt canvas before. I also had a Speedy 35. I did sell it at Bandolier. It had a rougher type of canvas. It wasn't so soft. It was more, felt more rigid. I don't know if I'm saying this right, but I really love the way this canvas feels. I'm thinking about getting another one, but I think it might be too much. I don't know. I want to expand my collection, but I don't want to get, I want to get more bags and then instead of the same bag, but I kind of do really love this bag, so I might get it in a different one. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Anyway, thanks you guys. I do plan on making more videos. I know I said that before and I've been going for a long time, but I really want to be very consistent doing this, and I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe, leave any comments. Also, I'm also planning on doing, maybe I'll do it next, what's in my bag, my Palm Springs PM. I don't see many of those on YouTube. So thanks for watching my video. You guys have a great, blessed day. Thank you.